literally a giant room of creatives all bumping into each other. And I think these types of events inspire so much amazing energy in the world, and that's where the greatest projects come from. We are at Adobe Max. We're actually sitting at the AMD booth. So for the last 6 months, I've had the ProArt laptop. This thing is amazing. It's just like hitting all the marks for me in terms of my workflow. And I'm just stoked to be talking about it face to face with the people that are also creators here.
Now that I'm using AMD, the thing that I notice the most is actually what I don't notice at all. I don't even notice that I'm using multiple Adobe apps at the same time. It just works seamlessly. I'm switching between them. I can open all the files and not worry about it. It's awesome.
AMD's AI features have just sped up my pre-production workflow and allowed me to just spend more time creating. I don't want to feel like I'm being throttled by my laptop. I only want to feel like I'm being throttled by my own energy.